Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track and analyze sales and performance metrics in Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and the first thing that we need to do is go here into the side of our Shopify website, and you can see here analytics. So you want to click on the analytics right here, and you can see a bunch of data right here about your store. But as you can see, I don't have any data because the account that I am using is currently just for tutorial. But I can show you the data right here that you can see. So you can see the top selling products, customer cohort analysis, and total sales, sales by channel, and so on right here. There is a lot of data right here. So depending on what you need, the data, what you need to analyze or maybe strategize in planning your next step to attract more customers or gain more conversions, then it is right here in the analytics tab of your Shopify store. So from here, what we can do is actually when we click on one of them, let's say we want the data of the total sales right here. We need the data on total sales, and you want to click on it. And when you click on total sales, you want to click here on the view report. This is a very small button right here, but there is a graph button, and you want to hover your mouse out on it, and you want to click. And once you click on it, you will see a more in-depth view of it. And so you can see the by hour right here on what you are selling. So the data of this sale right here per hour, and you can see it right here at the bottom, and you can see the graph more clearly right here because it is larger. And you also can do this right here. You can print it if you need to, and you can export it right here, so it will be exported as a CSV right here. You can open this in an Excel, and you can also save as right here if you'd want to, so you can put a title right there. And you can also filter this, so if you want to compare it to yesterday or maybe previous year, quarters, and anything you want, you can also do that here in your datas. And you can go for hourly or none right here. And of course, you can choose a date right here. So you have some templates right here. You can go for last month or last year, week to date, or whatsoever that you want right here. So if I set this into last 7 days, it would be set like this one right here, or last month it will be like this, and you can click on apply and you would see it be applied right here. As you can see, it's loading. And when you go back, you can also test this out into other analytics right here. So for example, the total orders, and you want to click on this button again. And as you can see, it's basically the same right here, but of course different data because this is for different purpose. And that is basically how you analyze your sales and performance metrics here in Shopify.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.